What if your morning routine not only transformed your life, but paid you every single month? By this time next month rolls around, you could already be in profit, hitting your goals and waking up to a routine most people only dream about. Stick with me until the very end because I'm going to show you how $35 can pay you $28 residually for every person who joins, and how you can generate commissions of up to $1,500 per person paid instantly. Plus, I'll reveal the exact bonus I'm giving you when you join through me. The Home Business Academy Let's Go app review. Residual income plus 80%. This isn't just another app review. This is about building habits that change your mornings, your mindset, and your money. And I'll prove it to you step by step. Let's go. Picture this. You wake up, open the Let's Go app, and it walks you through gratitude, journaling, a quick stretch, a moment of prayer or meditation, and even a digital vision board that keeps your goals front and center. Instead of starting your day with stress or distractions, you start with clarity, focus, and momentum. And the best part, the same app is also paying you back. What? Here's how the numbers work. The Let's Go app is $10 a month and pays you $8 a month residually. The Funnel Builder is $25 a month and pays you $20 a month residually. One person nearly covers your cost. Two people put you into straight profit. And every person after that is pure residual stacking month after month. Think about it. Most people spend more than $35 a month on coffee, fast food, or even Netflix. The difference here is this $35 actually pays you back. That's why people call this the simplest work from home income stream out there. It's a true affiliate marketing system that builds passive income online month after month after month. If you've ever read The Miracle Morning by Howard Elrod, you know the Savers method. Silence, affirmations, visualization, exercise, reading, and scribing. But what makes it so powerful isn't just the framework, it's Hal's story. At just 20 years old, Hal was hit head-on by a drunk driver at 70 miles an hour. He was clinically dead for 6 minutes, broke 11 bones, spent 6 days in a coma, and doctors told his family he might never walk again and would likely suffer permanent brain damage. But Hal refused to let that be the end of his story. Not only did he walk again, he went on to become a marathon runner. What? A keynote speaker, and eventually the best-selling author of The Miracle Morning. That routine, born out of tragedy and mindset and will, became the system he used to rebuild his life from scratch. And here's where it connects back to you. The Let's Go app takes that same proven Miracle Morning framework and digitizes it. Instead of relying on discipline alone, this app automates reminders, tracks your streaks, and rewards you daily. It's like Miracle Morning on autopilot, and it pays you back. Do I have your attention yet? If stories like Hal inspire you, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next breakdown. Now here's what most people get wrong. They think you need a huge audience or years of experience to make this work. That's just not true. With 1 or 2 people, you're already in profit. At the most recent Freedom Fest, the Home Business Academy announced major updates. And the Let's Go app was front and center. This is the Let's Go app, and you can customize it to you completely. You add your goals. You add and you could add, by the way, I think it's 7 or 8 different people, including yourself. So you could add your whole family, They rolled out the new Habit Streak Tracker, automated task scheduling, and confirmed family sharing. Plus, they reinforced the 80% commissions across the board. 80%, which is why that $35 enters into $28 of residual for you. You have residual bills, right? Maybe rent, maybe car note, and car insurance, electricity, etc., etc., and cell phone, you need residual income. Maybe you have Netflix, Hulu, etc. If you have residual bills, wouldn't it make sense to have residual income too? Drop a quick comment below. What's one habit you'd like to lock in with the Let's Go app? I covered my subscription and went into profit mode within a month. That's the power of a system that pays you back while helping you build better habits. And I want to show you that that's not just BS. Okay, I'm going to actually show you my bank account and also my payout so you can match them. Okay, e-wallet bank account is this is from HBA 3450. Remember that number. And an e-wallet bank account for global e-wallet for 8305 SML. So I'm going to go to my bank account real quick. Hopefully I'm still logged in. Okay. Give me a moment and I'll be right there, because it logged me out. Okay, so I'm going to go to advanced. So you can see this is legit. Hello, John. Okay, so here's the 3450 from the Home Business Academy. And here's the SMI payout of 8305. So I'm not just bullshitting. I'm showing you exact payouts, okay? Not only that, I'm going to show you the exact ranking system that I was talking about. And proof what is in the pudding, right? So we're going to go to that real quick. And I'm going to show you, I'm in incognito mode, right? Right here, incognito. So we're going to go to the new Home Business Academy Review 2025, which is today's video, right? And I'm also going to show you results from our team, right? So Ari, at 1 day ago, is already ranking 3rd on Google, right? And then here's a video from Andrew Guthrie, another team member, 6 days ago. And here I am from 15 hours ago, today's video, ranking on Google with my YouTube video. And here's another one from Andrew Guthrie, right, from a month ago. And Postcard Lifestyle, another team member, and another Make Money Online with JJ, and another Andrew Guthrie. So, and another Make Money Online with JJ, and another Postcard Lifestyle. So let's see here, right? And another form for Postcard Lifestyle. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 videos of Apostle, like 15 or 16. What? 10 videos from our team, okay? So I'm going to go to this video from today, right? I'm going to check on you. Again, you can see I'm in incognito mode. I'm going to check it on YouTube. And the #1 video on YouTube for the same keyword from 14 hours ago, okay? And guess what? Postcard Lifestyle, #2. REOTs, that same video you saw on Google from 1 day ago. These are all our team members. A month ago from Andrew Guthrie. Another video from 2 days ago from Make Money Online JJ, that's me. Another video from 5 days ago from me. Another video from Postcard Lifestyle. Another video from Postcard Lifestyle. And this is less than a day ago, by the way. Here's another video on Shorts, the #1 video on Shorts. And I believe this is a team member for us, from another one from us, okay? But don't quote me on that. Another Andrew Guthrie video. Another Andrew Guthrie video. So we are dominating YouTube and Google. And here's another Andrew Guthrie video. So wouldn't you want to be with the best team, the best training, the best bonus? Because I'm going to give this to you on a silver platter. Now, I'm not giving it to you it's not free for me. I'm going to pay for it out of my own pocket. I'm going to show you the daily steps you need to do to dominate YouTube, because every video I put out ranked on first page. Now, sometimes it slips a little bit, but I have tons, and I'll show you with more proof right here. What is it? This one, I think it is. Home Business Academy DFY Marketing System. Now watch this. Again, I'm incognito, This is an ad, so it doesn't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of 9. 8 of 9 videos, and here's some more. Here's another one, 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 and another one bites the dust, right? Like, how are you? Substitute me with you. Substitute me with you, because it isn't about what I'm doing. It's this is I'm proving you our team ranks. I rank. So you can do this. But will you? If we show you, if we give you, do you really want to succeed? Do you really want to stand out? Do you really want to be that affiliate marketer that's walking the stage? Do you really want to build a team? Because we will show you exactly how to do it. We'll train your people for free, because I'm giving you, if you join Lock Arms with me in HBA at the $25 level, okay, I'm going to give this to you on a silver platter. I'm going to get you in, and you can earn instant commissions of $350 to up to $1,500 on that same level. It doesn't matter what level you are, you get paid up to $1,500, and all you do is plug your people in and get trained on exactly the steps you need to do for attraction marketing, the exact steps you need to do to get free leads, traffic, leads, and sales. Okay, and I'm going to show you this same term, right? Home Business Academy DFY marketing system. Okay, number 1, number 2 are Instagram videos, okay, from this guy named JJ Solly. Let's see who that is, right? You see my picture right here, right? And why is it loading slow? Sorry, life is gonna life. We're moving on. I'm not, okay. Hopefully it'll load before I end this video, right? It's starting to right now. So there I am, right? This is that Instagram post with my YouTube video in it, okay? But I'm going to go back to that real quick. 1, 2. That must not be the one. Okay. Anyways. And the new Home Business Academy review, that was today. Boo boo. Proof Inc. Home Business Academy works. Okay. I'm going to show you on the number 1 video on Google. Why did it go away? Anyways, okay, 1 day ago. So I'm number 2, third rank, number 4. Okay, and I'm gonna go to YouTube. Okay, and then I'm gonna move on. And there I am. And you'll see many more of me, and there's another team member. So this proof this is ranks. And remember, the Home Business Academy isn't just about one app. You're also getting the Funnel Builder, live masterminds, and a full library of training. Shows you how to build funnels, capture leads, and grow any business online. Just like Simple Freedom Warriors, you can grow any business. You could plug in any business, and we'll show you exactly how to dominate it like we can for any keyword. Okay, for any company. Okay, when you join the Home Business Academy through me, I'm not just your sponsor, I'm your mentor. I'll pay your way into Simple Freedom Warriors. That's the private training community where I am and other SFW warriors are dominating social media now. Inside, you and your members will learn exactly how to generate leads, drive traffic, and even close sales for any offer. All you have to do is plug your people into the training with a simple email, and the system does the work for you. And I'm covering your entry fee so you and your members can plug in instantly. No excuses, no barriers, just immediate access to the daily steps to dominate any program. And here's the kicker. Through the system, you can generate commissions of up to $1,500 per person, paid instantly to the payment processor of your choice. So imagine this. By the time next month rolls around, you're not just talking about change. You're already in profit, already on track with your goals, and already stacking residual income $28 at a time for every person who joins, with the potential to earn $1,500 instant commissions on top. The Home Business Academy Let's Go app review, residual income plus 80%. And if this video gave you any value, give it a like. It helps more people see how simple this system really is. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment to get started. You'll get the Let's Go app, the Funnel Builder, the full HBA ecosystem, and my Simple Freedom Warriors bonus. Let's make this This is the month you transform your mornings, your mindset, and your money. This is JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka your friendly neighborhood Solly Man. Don't delay. Get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.